Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to hide a column in Excel in just a few quick steps. Click directly on the column header letter at the top of your spreadsheet. That's the letter like B, C, or D that sits right above your data. When you click it, the entire column will highlight with a different background color. That's how you know it's selected. Next, right-click directly on that column header. A context menu will pop up at your cursor with a list of options. Look for the option that says Hide and click it. The column will immediately disappear from view. You'll notice a couple of visual cues that tell you a column is hidden. There will be a double line between the two columns on either side of where your hidden column was, and the column letters will skip one. So if you hid column B, you'll see A, then that double line, then C. Remember, hiding doesn't delete data, it just removes it from view. If you need to unhide the column later, select the two columns on either side of where the hidden one should be. Right-click on either of those column headers and select Unhide, or if you see that double line between two columns, you can just double-click it and the hidden column will unhide instantly. That's it. Your column is now hidden.